I was watching MrBeast video until I saw something that looked cool. And today, I'll be making this 3D scene in Blender. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. Get that sub button down. So I open Blender, and the first thing that we have to achieve is this box that we can place our object on. So I quickly removed the cube and I started trying out different techniques in order to achieve that curved looking cube. I finally got it done, and what's next for me to do is for me to get the characters. So I quickly went down to this website, SketchFab. Bro, I just thank God for this website. I got everything I needed. I went back to Blender. So for this phase, I was trying to achieve a nice background that I can place my object on, and I got it done. What's next for me to do is to duplicate those box so I can place all my objects on. So I quickly did that, and when I hit render, okay, back to work. Okay, so I quickly rushed down and did the same thing for remaining objects, and I got it done, and it looked really good. Now for this part, I was trying to make this curve that MrBeast used in his video, this exact one right there. So to achieve this, I went to curve and then add this bezier, and then I scaled it, went to edit mode and started cooking. Look, this literally took me more than 1 hour to achieve, and after everything I got it done. And I added an effect that lets my camera also follow the curve just like this, and this is how the preview looks like. It's not that perfect, but we can work with that. Yes, it's time to render, bro. When I hit render, yep, my PC went blank because I didn't use render recycles or reducing samples or even adding denoise to it. Guys, I promise to do a part 2 if this video gets 1 like.